baby, this right here is Miss Sheree, and Miss Sheree is fire. Okay, do you hear me? Starting out, Miss Sheree is not glued down, and look at that lace. As y'all see me run my comb through this lace, the lace is not glued down. The lace looks freaking fire. So to start out with Miss Sheree, it is a invisible lace 13x6 pre-plucked unit. Okay, this unit is pre-plucked. It says neutral HD lace. The lace is neutral and it's HD. Okay, because I put my powder on there, and let me show you my comb. Can y'all see that? I think I gotta get super close. Look at that. The comb is through there. You can even look in between and see my wig count. So the lace melts into the skin without any glue, adhesive, whatever you want to use on it. It melts into the skin. So this unit is laying down. Even on the sides, I did show y'all that I did use some of the got to be glued in the black bottle, and I didn't let it glue like dry down. And look at this, it's not even on the sides, and the ear tab is laying flat. So this unit, you do not have to glue it down, and your ears is not gonna be flapping in the wind. As long as you got some hair pulled down and you're not trying to pull the whole hair back, you should be good. As far as right here, I did use got to be glued in the black bottle, as well as my edge booster. Right here I have a little bit of my edges out, so I just wanted to make sure that that was blended. So I did just cut a little bit of the baby hairs that they did supply with this unit. With this unit, the way the baby hairs are and how they pluck the hairline, you do not have to use those baby hairs. You can brush those back and it looks good. I love that about this unit. I think I love that the most. A lot of units, they give you a little bit of baby hairs and a little bit of the line, and it's plucked, but once you pull it back, that's it. With this unit right here, there's so much of the baby hair is left out that when you brush it back, it still looks plucked, natural, and like really full and pretty. So I love that. So it's about like this much baby hairs that they have plucked. So if you wanted a lot of baby hairs, or you wanted like fluffy, you could do that. And you see, all I did was brush them back, and it still looks freaking good. This unit is like fire. So as you can see, like right here, that is baby hairs, and all I did was just brush those back, and because of how the hair color is going, you can't even tell. So I will leave a link down below if you do want to go ahead and purchase this unit. Thank you to SamsBeauty once again for sending me out this wig to review, because Miss Sheree, she is fire. Okay, she is fire. And y'all better hurry up for this wig sellout, or if it already sold out, I don't know. But this unit is a fire unit. But leave me any comments, questions that I did not answer down below. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you didn't do so before watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one.